Pranam. So today my advice to you is don't discipline your mind too much. Let the mind do its own things. Accept your nature, your faults, and let it be the starting point. If you've been watching my videos and if you're watching this video, probably you are on your path towards kind of embracing yoga. So I would sincerely advise you to continue with it. Simple concept is emotions can change the breath pattern. They change our body language. So it's also true that body language and breath can change emotions. So it's a two-way traffic. It has been seen that forward bending asanas, they bring a sense of vairagya bhav into you. Vairagya means not to give up the world, but not to cling to it. Without color, vairagya, bina rang ke. Be transparent. Let things come, let things go. Do not get attached to the result. So that bhav, that emotion, that attitude comes with forward bending asanas and the breath associated with these asanas. So the first forward bending that I am going to tell you today is Janu Shri Asana. Janu is your knee and Shri is your head. So you will be touching your head to your knee and it will be Yatha Shakti. Before doing this, I would recommend two pre-practices. I have already discussed in the previous videos, but just a quick recap. So since we would be bending from the lower back, from the sacral area, what I suggest is just keep any chair in front of you and with exhalation just bend from your sacral area and feel the stretch. Stay in this position. So you try and bend from your sacral area. It's very important. And the rest of the back is straight. Do it as a pre-practice. Second pre-practice that is required is your hamstrings and your quadriceps have to be balanced because they will be stretched. So to get the balance in your quadriceps and hamstrings, just lie down next to a wall or any cover with your legs up and try to get the balance between the quadriceps and hamstrings. And calf muscles can also be strengthened if your toes are pointing towards you. Do this for 30 seconds. Spread your legs for 30 seconds. Let this position for 30 seconds. And this position, this stretch here, both sides, this also for 30 seconds each. So 2 minutes, give yourself to balance your muscles of the lower limbs, and you've already balanced the muscles of your lower back. You could be try Bhujangasana as well as the pre-practice which I just told you. Then align yourself, relax a little bit, and right knee comes across the left thigh. I will inhale, and with exhalation I will bend from my lower back and my forehead touches my knee and my elbows are touching the ground. And very important, I am totally relaxed in this posture. I am not straining any part of my body. And with inhalation, I come back, and exhalation, my hands come down. Now, this can be, now I'm taking a little strain here, so I will just kind of do this, the counter posture, and I'm balanced again. what you could do is, you have to do it the other side also. That suppose, I'll show you on the other side, you're not able to touch your forehead to the knee, so put a pillow here. Take the help of a pillow. You could put another cushion also, and very slowly inhale, go back, exhale, come down and rest your head. Feel relaxed. Awareness is on your Swadhisthana, that is the sacral area, and this awareness is the chakra for respecting your uniqueness and not comparing yourself to others, not judging yourself, not judging others, which is the primary source of stress. Now, if you just be yourself, you'll be so happy with yourself. And plus, then the feeling of surrender. So it is, God grant me the strength to kind of be active, to be respecting my uniqueness, and then whatever you are, what I am getting in return, I am accepting it with grace and gratitude. So a lot of gratitude is what, is so important, because we are actually so blessed and we just have to appreciate that we are blessed creatures. I will continue this series on forward bending asanas, and this will definitely help you to, as I said, get the bhav of vairagya, or the non-clinging attitude. Neither do you cling to possessions, nor do you cling to your thoughts, your greed. Just be free, flow, and happy. Thank you. See ya.